I agree, Ketan. Shifting to the next channel of Doordarshan, we talk about one of the most horrifying realities of the world through the medium of this play. So please brace yourselves for the theatre segment of Doordarshan titled Jaidad Kiski.
In the expanse of the tranquil sky, they say, death grants you perspective. Here I am, embracing the newfound sense of power. Well, I'm supposed to feel that. A power I've never experienced on earth. Gazing down upon the world, once a place I used to call home. From up here, the pain seems distant, but the memories are etched like fresh scars on my soul. But wherever I seem to turn, I see my story play in their lives. As much as I try to forget, it doesn't seem to leave me, as though it keeps haunting us. Below, my story unfolds, once again, like a tragic play on repeat, with each act a witness to the destructive power dynamics of men, thinking that we are their property, their jaidad.
Whispers of love and promises of freedom, but they were mere words that concealed the reality. I cherish what we had, हमारे बीच का प्यार, but they said this was just a phase. So, in disagreement with them, my parents, I sought a life of my own and I started living separately. खुद की जिंदगी जीने, अपने सपने पूरे करने. To be honest, I don't know if I wanted to marry. I wanted to explore. I knew it was a bold step from my side to be in a living relationship. But Mama Papa के लिए this act cast shadows of disapproval from society. सोसाइटी के लिए औरत हमेशा से जायदाद रही है, प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द मैन, हर फर्स्ट ओनर, द फादर, जो अपनी अमानत किसी और को दे देता है, हिज सन इन लॉ थ्रू दिस कन्यादान. ये कैसी सौदेबाजी है? Where men exercise what they believe is their inherent right to own us, हमारा सौदा करने का. कन्या केवल दान की पात्र है? क्या उसका कोई अस्तित्व नहीं? क्या मीरा कोई अस्तित्व नहीं? क्या आपका कोई अस्तित्व नहीं? क्या मैं सिर्फ किसी की जायदाद हूं जिसको कोई भी मर्द उठा के दे देता है? Do you not have your individuality? Do I not have my individuality?
जिस दिन से आई है तब से यही करती जा रही है, चिट 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 चिट। हाँ, पीछे आया हूँ मैं, क्या कर लेगी? हाँ, 15,000 में आई है तू इस घर में, ये भूल जाओ मत।
15,000 and that's all my life means. हर रात ये पी के आता है और हर रात ये मुझे मेरी जगह याद दिलाता है। ये बंधन गुलामी बन गई है और इसकी बोझ के नीचे मेरी रूह कांप जाती है। The promises of love that he made, they were all false. He said he wanted me, but all he wanted was to control me. He doesn't like me talking to other men. He's enough for me. And I thought I was enough for him. पर बाबूजी की पूरी जिंदगी की कमाई, and that wasn't enough. It's funny, isn't it? The Mangal Sutra, the very pride of my being, is the chain that strangles me. रोटी, बिस्तर और आंसू, इन्हीं तीनों में मेरा जीवन बस गया। After experiencing the trauma that lies in the shadows of the darkness, I sought a path of my own to break away from the shackles of the society. तुम सिर्फ मेरी हो, और अगर तुम मेरी नहीं हो सकती, तो तुम किसी की भी नहीं हो सकती. A dialogue that played in my life when I became unclaimable as his property. I lost my status because I could no longer fulfill the march of pride and power. We as women, caught between the fires of societal norms and self-identity, Was it the power to regain what was lost? His hollow pride? The facade would break until the screams of a shout would laugh out to the world. The facade would break until the pestle of power would bleed out to pain. The facade would break when her eyes would close for God to help. I asked, why me? I was a girl who could differentiate between right and wrong. A girl who held her values closer than herself. But now I felt as if I was shattered from a dreamless girl to a person who couldn't do anything. I gathered the courage to shout out to the world. But alas, I knew their answer. Beta, just move on. How could I move on? I was not wrong. I was not broken. And so I told myself that I should not blame myself. But the scars remained and reminded me that words like justice, consent, and freedom were mere words that were overpowered by force, patriarchy, and men. Until it happened again and again and again. Until I ended it all.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for making it to our Orator's final showcase this year. It has taken us, okay, first introduction, sorry. I'm Sanya, I'm one of the co-presidents.
I'm Radha, and I'm one of the co-presidents too. And I'm Shruti, I'm also one of the co-presidents.
It has taken the club 4 long years to grow, to be able to make it to Reddy's and Black Box. We have some of our founders of the clubs here. Could you please have a round of applause?
This is Mahak. He is the founder of the club in 2020.
We started off with majorly an events vertical. I did workshops, podcasts last year. And this year we decided just to enter into a plethora of things, see what works out, see what doesn't. When this idea of a black box performance came into being, we thought, why orator? By orators. And I think the theme of this year for the club has been collaborations. Collaboration between skills, collaboration between teams, collaboration between clubs. So we thought to put oratory on a mark, on a pedestal, in no better place than the black box. Why not kind of collaborate with the more recognized skills of dance, music, and theatre? I think for the past few weeks, the only thing the team has heard from all of us is that we live. Whatever happens, we live. We live through meetings, we live through practices, we live through screamings. But I think we did live through it all. So now let's recognize the faces behind the showcase.
Okay, so hosting was done by Achintya Nevatia and Ketan Mishra.
Also, I think I accidentally hit someone with the glass, so sorry.
Going ahead with dance, we have our amazing dancers, Dhriti Vatsyayan, Sarah Bhargav, Shruti Agarwal, Jindal. For Orators, we have Achintya, Dhriti and Sanya again. And this is choreographed by Shagun, Shruti and Sanya. Moving on to the musical, this musical is actually adapted from a short story by Hugh Bem Steinberg called Taylor Swift. And this features original lyric and composition by Aryan Mathur. We have Sanya and Pradma Midha as our two Taylor Swifts. And our main character Yu is played by Simran Kejriwal. Our narrator Shirasman is again played by Aryan Mathur. And our Tina is actually Navya Rahate. As you see, she's also the bride in the next one, but yeah. Last but not the least, for our play Jaidat Kiski. It is written by Anamitra Jaiswal. She's actually written this for Manon's class and she wanted to perform it, so we were like, let's go. And it is also co-directed by her and Mrinalini Jindal. In the beginning, you heard Sanya's voice as the narrator, and crediting all our actors we have. Again, we have Anamitra Jaiswal, Navya Rahate, Nandika S, Raghav Agarwal, Krish Goyal, Veer Bedi, Ketal Mishra. The poster design and editing was done by Jiti, Simran, Sanya and Nandika. You will keep hearing these names again and again, so please bear with us. Our stage hands are actually John Priyanshu Singh and Umang Chauhan. Okay, now we would like to especially extend our gratitude and thanks to Siddharth Siju and Sana Sapra from TGR for the amazing lights and doing it on such short notice. Thank you. We would like to also thank our advisor, Professor Justin McCarthy, for his valuable suggestions and insights. To the Performing Arts Department for the Black Box Theatre. Supporters Ayushi, Anirudh and Reva for helping us record this show. IT, Housekeeping and Student Life Office for